Hi my dear learners, welcome back to my channel. My dear learners, this time I will teach you how to read words and sentences with Ed family. I know you want to read words and sentences, so what are you waiting for? Come and let us read together.
Ed. Now let's read. Bed. Again, bed. Nice one, kids. Ed. And now let's read. Fed. Again, fed. Very good, kids. Ed. Jed. Again, Jed. Great job. Ed. Now let's read. Led. Again, led. You're doing great. Ed. Med. Again, med. You are amazing. Ed. Red. Again, red. You're doing great. Ed. Now let's read. Wed. Again, wed. Well done. Ed. Ted. Again, Ted. Very good, kids. Bed. Fed. Jed. Led. Med. Ned. Red. Ted. Wed. Congratulations. Sentences. Fed the hen. Jed is on the bed. Ned get wed. The bed is red. Congratulations! You made it, kids!
Thank you for watching. To watch this video offline, you can download this video anytime. If you want to read with me, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye learners, see you soon.